Tim Albright with AVNation at Infocomm 2018 with Ramzi Sharkra from Epson. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. You guys are showing some neat projectors downstairs. Epson has moved now into laser last couple of years. Talk about first of all your 4K laser and why you're showing that this year.
Yeah, so we have a new projector platform. One of them is a 4K native, a 12,000 lumen, and the other is a 20,000 lumen WXGA. This is the first 4K native 3 LCD 12,000 lumen projector, and it's the first time we're showing it here in the US. It's shipping later this year. And basically 4K is just an amazing image quality. Allows you, if you're producing content in 4K, to display it in 4K, as we know. And in projection, 4K looks, the colors and everything looks really, really quite great.
Yeah. What are some of the tricks when you start installing these to get the image quality up to where you're making full use of the 4K signal?
Yeah, I mean with 4K, obviously if you're very far away from the screen, it's not going to resolve. So basically 4K projection is best used in a location where people are close enough to kind of see that additional detail. Okay. Also useful for whether it's maps or text, that kind of detailed environment, even something where there's some sort of interaction with the display. That's where that additional resolution of 4K can be really useful.
All right. What are the main verticals you guys see this specific 4K going into?
Well, this new platform, which is the 20,000 lumen WXGA and the 4K native, it's built for fixed installations as well as rental and staging. So we've been, the last 4 or 5 years, Epson is the largest projector manufacturer in the world. In the last 3-4 years, we've been going higher lumens. And this new platform really has been taking some of the feedback we've gotten over the last few years. So we've incorporated a lot of really, really great features in this new platform for the 4K and the WXGA 20,000 lumen. So I can go through some of them. Yeah. Removable interface cards, so future-proofing it, being able to, if something breaks down, you can have a swap in another one.
So it's more modular, so you can actually
exactly.
Service it.
Exactly. And you can also configure it with the inputs that you need for that installation or that project. Yeah. Another thing too, we've for laser projector, we've kept it compact and lightweight for that much lumens, very robust. And also, I think people are looking for a wide lens range and not having to go out and buy yet another group of lenses, right? Yeah. And so many of the, some 4K projectors require specific 4K lens to resolve that, but this 4K native works with our existing Pro G 7000 and Pro L 1000 family.
So you could, in theory, switch out the projector and keep the lens.
Yeah, you can keep the lens. You can have a Pro L 1000 series, have a 4K, different platforms, but the same family.
Oh wow!
Keep your costs down.
Right. If somebody's interested in getting more information about these specific projectors or anything else that you guys, Epson has, how to do that?
Visit our website, www.epson.com.
Ramzi Sharkra from Epson. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us and more videos from Infocomm 2018, go by the website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.